From the shopping cart management page, you'll find shipping options. Under the shipping options, you'll find an advanced rate table. The advanced rate table is much like the basic rate table, except this will allow you to calculate distances by zones and charge different rates based on the distance that the product is moving. This is particularly useful if you're shipping truck freight or if you're doing delivery within a state or within a geographic area where you need to charge more for different distances. To start out the rate table, put in the origin zip code. This would be the zip code that you're located in where all the distances are calculated from. This will calculate the geographic distance between the zip codes. This will work very well if you're moving products between cities. If you're selling firewood and you're shipping products from one city to another, you can calculate the distance between those cities and charge based on that. If you are delivering sandwiches around the block, it's not going to work because everyone will be in your zip code, and the geographic center of the zip code may be a lot different than the actual distance. If your distances are okay within 5 or 10 miles, then this will work really well. It works good on long distance shipping, but not so much if you're right in the same city. You would put a display name, so it would probably just be delivery. It can be local delivery or truck freight or whatever you want to label it. Then you have zones. You can do up to 10 zones, and the zones will be distances. So if we do one zone at 25 miles, one zone at 50 miles, and one zone at 100 miles, and you would go on through as far as you want to deliver. You can charge by weight, quantity, or price. You have to define what that unit is going to be. If you're charging by price, then put in price. If you're charging by quantity, items purchased, or you can charge by weight. We're going to do weight. Whatever you charge, whichever you select, you're going to put under units, the units column. So if we're doing weight, we're going to do 100 pounds, 200 pounds, and 300 pounds as our weights. And then we made 3 zones of 25, 50, and 100 miles. So zone 1 will be 25 miles, 50 miles, and zone 3 will be 100 miles. If we're delivering 100 pounds at 25 miles, then we're going to charge $10. For 50 miles, we'll charge $15. And for 100 miles, we'll charge $20. At 200 pounds, we might charge slightly more. We might charge $12, $17, and $22. We're just making up numbers here. These numbers can be anything. They're based on your business. If you're delivering appliances, this is a great way to set up a rate chart. If you're delivering within a local area and you're going from city to city or traveling 50 or 100 miles out, you can set up closer zones. You don't have to do them 25 or 30 miles apart, but it is based on the zip code. Once you have those filled in, just go down and submit it, and that'll create the rate table for you. To use the rate table in your shipping, go down to the set shipping charges, and there is an option for advanced rate table. Simply check that box to use the advanced rate table and submit the shipping changes. Keep in mind there are full help pages on all of these items. So for the advanced rate table, you'll see that there is a full help page. It explains step by step how to build a rate table. It explains what it can be used for, what your customer will see, and how this process works. So you have the help video. You have a full help page, which is a little more detailed than the video. And once you get it done, make sure you go in and try it out and make sure it's giving you the results you want.